Good evening. My name is Janet Hernandez, and I'm here to share with you my portfolio project. I have my updated resume on my portfolio project, as you can see here. One of my goals is to graduate with my associate's degree in medical reimbursement and coding. One of the outcome is that I can demonstrate competency to assemble, process, maintain, store, abstract, analyze, index, and retrieve health information data. I have the skills to code and abstract and analyze from the index and op reports. And as you can see, my portfolio is not, doesn't have a lot of information. I need to add maybe some internships, networking, any community service that I have done. And then my portfolio will be, with more information. Also, I would need to add more skills, any more outcomes from my different classes. And this is all I have for my portfolio at the moment. Thank you. Have a great day.